Hey everyone, so today's gonna be a super duper short one. I'm just doing 2 pages because the kids left today and yeah, they were feeling it that, oh no, we're leaving and stuff like that. So they were getting a bit cranky. And yeah, it took the whole house to try and keep him calm, and frankly speaking, it hit all of us. So that was where most of my day went. Um, Hopefully things will pick up pace day after onwards. Tomorrow I got most of my day spent driving. So let's get into it. Essentially, we did up to response status codes. We went through response model return types and extra models, which were both essentially all about like coercion of return types, coercion of the data type based on annotations or definitions of the return type. So pretty cool stuff there actually. And response status code was very brief, very straightforward overview of the status code parameter that most of the path operating decorators take. So form data is something I didn't know about, but is the traditional way HTML sends data when it's not sent through JSON, and it's like using the form tags. Um, this is a pretty straightforward um, page. All it says essentially is that uh, Fast API can take form data. You just have to annotate the parameters as of type form, and then it will be read as form data instead of JSON data. Otherwise, it'll be misinterpreted as query parameters, and that's about it. There is a little bit here that you can declare multiple form parameters in a path operation, but you can't also declare a body. Um, uh, because it's usually encoded using application x www form URL encoded instead of application JSON, and this is just how the HTTP protocol works essentially. Now, normally I'd like to take a deeper dive into that, but we're moving on. um, so, this page is also fairly straightforward. It's essentially the same with like cookie parameter models and header parameter models. If you have a grouping of form parameters, you can group them up into a pydantic model, and then as long as you annotate it as such, it will be parsed as that type of parameter. So in this case, it's annotated as form, so it'll be a form. It'll be form parameters. Both of these will be extracted and read in as form parameters versus query parameters versus any other thing, right? Basically, if you have a pydantic model, you can declare it as a different type of parameter. So just letting you guys know. And just screenshot of the docs showcasing that's the case. You can, as with the others, forbid extra parameters being sent to you than that which is requested. That's about it. Um, Request files. So this stuff kind of builds. What I didn't realize is file and upload files and how files work uses form data and not like JSON, which makes sense. Actually, it doesn't. I don't know why that's the case, but that is the case. So I read a little bit on this page, but I'm just gonna save it for tomorrow when I hopefully read a bit more. I think tomorrow's gonna be another small one, and then after that I can hopefully let it rip and have a longer video that is more meaty. So for today, thank you all. Have a great one.